Hi, in this video I will be showing you the impossible table and some objects that are heavier but that it can hold. Here are the 5 objects I've chosen to show in this video. A book, a plasma ball, some soap, a glass bowl, and a 1 kilogram spool of filament. First up, we have the book. You can see that it holds it quite easily, so that's a pass. Next, we have the plasma ball. You can also see that it holds this quite easily. Next, we have soap, and it holds that too. Next, we have a glass bowl, which is very heavy, but it holds it. And finally, we have the 1 kilogram spool of filament, which weighs just over 1 kilogram because it has the spool part too. And we'll see if it works. It holds that too. This just shows you how strong 3D printed parts and 2 single strings can be. Thank you for watching. I suggest that you build one of these impossible tables that you can find here on Thingiverse. And please subscribe to Lynx 3D Printing. Thank you for watching.